Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the funniest ride-along episodes from Friends. In this scene, Rachel gets a chance to ride with Gary, who is a police officer. After hearing her exciting stories, Ross, Joey, and Chandler also want to join the police ride-along. At first, everyone is excited, but as soon as it gets dark, Ross starts getting nervous. Joey, on the other hand, enjoys every moment and acts like he's a real police officer. The funniest part is when Joey sits in the front seat and claims that he's Gary's partner, making Ross jealous. The comedy becomes even better when the group starts arguing about who is the most cop-like person. Joey's confidence and Ross's fear create some hilarious moments throughout the scene. Later, when they are waiting for a witness, a loud noise suddenly scares everyone. Ross panics immediately, while Joey tries to act brave and even protects Ross. This moment perfectly shows the different personalities of the characters and creates a lot of laughter. What makes this scene special is the combination of suspense and comedy. Even though nothing serious happens, the characters' reactions make the entire sequence entertaining and memorable. Overall, this is one of the funniest police ride-along moments in Friends. Filled with